A single glass of water with baking soda can transform your health. Imagine enjoying numerous benefits just by adding baking soda to your water. A simple and affordable solution. It sounds too good to be true, right? But the truth is that many experts not only use this mixture themselves, but also recommend it, as its positive effects are widely recognized. So, in this presentation, we'll delve into all the benefits that water with baking soda can offer, as well as teach you how to prepare this solution correctly and discuss its potential contraindications. Shall we begin? One significant benefit of combining water with baking soda is related to kidney health. These organs play a crucial role in purifying the blood and removing waste and toxins from the body. When the body's pH is imbalanced due to excess acidity, the kidneys may struggle to function properly. Drinking water with baking soda helps neutralize this acidity, reducing the kidney's workload and aiding in the elimination of toxins through urine. People suffering from heartburn and digestive issues can also benefit from drinking water with baking soda. If you've ever felt that uncomfortable burning sensation in your chest or throat, usually caused by excess stomach acid, a simple solution of baking soda in water might be the answer. Baking soda helps neutralize stomach acid, providing relief from the burning and discomfort. By reducing stomach acidity, baking soda allows the liver to focus more effectively on removing toxins from the blood. For the respiratory system, water with baking soda can be a valuable ally. This mixture can help clear the bronchi and remove mucus thanks to its alkaline properties. Baking soda has the ability to reduce the thickness of mucus in the lungs, making it more fluid and easier to expel. This is particularly beneficial in cases of congestion or persistent cough, where mucus tends to become thick and hard to eliminate. Did you know that rinsing your mouth with a mixture of water and baking soda can effectively combat bad breath? That's right. Baking soda can neutralize the acids in the mouth that cause unpleasant odors and also has antibacterial properties that help reduce the amount of oral bacteria. Although it doesn't replace brushing and flossing, this habit can be a useful complement for those dealing with bad breath. And the benefits don't stop there. This solution also acts as a mild natural exfoliant, removing surface stains from your teeth and leaving your smile whiter and brighter. To achieve these results, rinse your mouth with the baking soda and water solution once or twice a week, avoiding enamel wear on your teeth. Additionally, this rinse can help reduce gum inflammation and bleeding in people suffering from gingivitis. Before we move on, I want to ask, have you ever tried drinking water with baking soda or used this solution as a mouthwash? Share your experience in the comments below. We also can't overlook the fact that consuming water with baking soda can strengthen the immune system. Thanks to its alkaline properties, this solution helps balance the body's pH, which contributes to reducing chronic inflammation and creates a more favorable environment for the immune cells to function properly. And now you might be wondering, how do you prepare this solution correctly? It's easier than it seems. Simply add half a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass containing about 200 milliliters of warm or room temperature water. Stir well until the baking soda is completely dissolved and drink slowly. If your goal is to relieve heartburn or other digestive discomforts, it's recommended to consume the mixture on an empty stomach. Although water with baking soda offers many benefits, it's important to remember that it is not suitable for everyone and has some important contraindications. People with hypertension should avoid excessive consumption, as baking soda can increase sodium levels in the blood, worsening the condition. Those with kidney failure or chronic kidney disease should also avoid using it, as it can interfere with electrolyte balance and kidney function. Individuals with heart problems, such as congestive heart failure, should consult a doctor before using baking soda, as it can affect acid-base balance and heart function. Additionally, baking soda may interact with certain medications, such as antacids and some antibiotics, so it's essential to seek medical advice before starting any regular consumption, especially in high doses or over prolonged periods. And of course, we can't end the video without a special bonus for those of you who have stayed until the end. In addition to the well-known mixture of water with baking soda, there is another powerful combination made with common ingredients: water with salt. That's right, when consumed in the right measure, this mixture can bring various benefits to the body. One of the main ones is rehydration. Imagine you've just gone through an intense physical workout or are experiencing a bout of diarrhea, and your body needs fluid replenishment. Drinking water with salt helps restore lost electrolytes, such as sodium and chloride, which are essential for maintaining fluid balance and proper muscle function. In other words, salty water not only replenishes fluids, but also helps the body retain this water more efficiently, combating dehydration more effectively than plain water. To make a rehydration solution, mix about half a teaspoon of salt in 1 liter of water and drink it gradually. This amount is perfect to ensure safe electrolyte replenishment without overloading the body, helping in efficient hydration. Consuming water with salt can also improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes and hydrochloric acid in the stomach, both of which are essential for efficient digestion of food. Salt provides minerals like sodium and chloride, necessary for the formation of gastric juices, speeding up the digestive process more thoroughly. Drinking this solution in small sips throughout the day, especially before meals, can aid in digestion and nutrient absorption, as well as relieve discomforts like bloating and indigestion. Salt water can also bring benefits to skin health, providing essential minerals that help in hydration and balance. Salt is rich in minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium, which contribute to keeping the skin hydrated, reducing inflammation, and speeding up healing. Additionally, these minerals help regulate the skin's pH, combating issues like acne and eczema. To prepare the solution, dissolve half a teaspoon of salt in a liter of filtered water and drink it in small sips throughout the day. This practice can leave your skin softer, firmer, and with a more radiant appearance. And of course, when talking about salt water, we can't forget the benefits of taking a sea bath. For those who live near the coast, this habit brings significant advantages for skin health. Seawater is abundant in minerals like magnesium, calcium, potassium, and sodium, which help nourish and revitalize the skin. These minerals have anti-inflammatory and healing properties, which can relieve skin problems like eczema, psoriasis, and acne. Additionally, sea salt works as a natural exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and promoting cell renewal, leaving the skin softer and more radiant. Salt water can also improve blood circulation, contributing to healthier and well-nourished skin. However, it's essential to remember to hydrate your skin after a sea bath, as salt water can dry out the skin. As with baking soda water, it's crucial to highlight the contraindications of consuming salt water. Individuals with hypertension, kidney, or heart problems should avoid this practice, as the high sodium content can worsen these conditions, raising blood pressure and putting more strain on the kidneys. Moreover, excessive consumption of salt water can lead to dehydration, as salt can draw water out of cells, directing it to the gastrointestinal tract and causing fluid loss. People with congestive heart failure, edema, or those who need to follow a low-sodium diet should also avoid this practice. We remind you that it is essential to consult a healthcare professional before starting to regularly consume salt water or baking soda water, ensuring that it is safe and appropriate for your individual health conditions. And now I want to know, were you aware of the benefits these simple mixtures can bring? Which one have you tried, baking soda water or salt water? Leave your answer in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so they can stay informed as well. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.